Hello everyone, I am Nischal Sigdel, an 8 intake BHM student of KFA Business School. Currently, I am working as an instructor in Oriental Hospitality, which is affiliated with CTVT. Today, I am going to share with you my own cocktail creation. The name is Lucifer. Let's prepare it. So, coffee liqueur 15 ml, sweet vermouth 15 ml, two dashes of Angostura bitters, cinnamon syrup 10 ml, and lastly we follow it with 60 ml whiskey. Now we shake. We dump out the old ice and put in some new ice. And now we strain. For garnish, we'll use an orange peel. So, orange peel and cherry as a garnish. So, here's your cocktail, the Lucifer. Thank you.